When you first land on the Aetna website, the design feels professional and structured, but at the same time, it can seem a bit overwhelming because of how much information is placed on the front page. The navigation bar offers quick access to health insurance plans, employer coverage, Medicare options, dental and vision care, as well as wellness programs. This makes it convenient for users who already know what they are looking for, but if you are a first-time visitor, the sheer number of sections can make it harder to understand where to start. As I go deeper into the health insurance plan options, I see that Aetna provides individual and family plans with varying levels of coverage. Each plan page is detailed with information about deductibles, out-of-pocket costs, and network size. However, the clarity isn't always perfect because sometimes you need to open multiple tabs to compare plans side by side. For someone trying to make a quick decision, this could be frustrating, but if you want a thorough breakdown, it's helpful that the data is there. The member login portal is a central part of the website. Once logged in, users can check claims, find providers, view ID cards, and manage prescriptions. From a usability perspective, the portal is straightforward once you learn it, but for new members, it takes some time to adjust. The interface doesn't always feel modern, and certain actions require more clicks than they probably should. This is an area where Aetna could improve, especially since ease of access is critical in healthcare. Searching for providers is one of the more useful features of the site. You can filter by location, specialty, and whether a doctor is in-network. The accuracy of results is fairly strong, though some users report that the directory is not always up to date. This can lead to frustration if you schedule an appointment only to find out later that the provider is no longer part of the Aetna network. Accuracy in this area is essential, so while the tool is valuable, it does need better maintenance. When looking at Aetna's customer service section, I noticed they do try to make multiple support channels available. There's a help center with articles, a phone line, and in some cases live chat. The phone support is not always fast, and waiting times can be long during busy hours. This can make resolving urgent issues more difficult. On the other hand, the written resources like FAQs and plan details are pretty well organized, so if you prefer self-service, you can often find what you need without having to contact support directly. Many useful links you can find in the description. One of the most appealing parts of Aetna's website is the Wellness and Resources section. They provide tools for mental health, lifestyle programs, fitness discounts, and preventative care information. For people looking to improve overall health rather than just manage insurance, this section adds extra value. However, it does feel a bit like an add-on rather than being fully integrated into the insurance experience. Some of the programs are only available with certain plans, so the usefulness depends on the policy you choose. Another area worth mentioning is Medicare coverage. Aetna's Medicare pages are more streamlined than the rest of the site, giving clearer explanations about Advantage plans, prescription drug coverage, and supplemental options. This part of the site is definitely easier to navigate compared to the main individual and family plans, likely because Medicare shoppers often need straightforward comparisons. While Aetna provides a wide range of insurance solutions, the website itself reflects both strengths and weaknesses of the company. On the positive side, you get a lot of transparency in terms of what's included in each plan, plus extra resources that go beyond just insurance coverage. On the negative side, the usability could be smoother, the provider directory accuracy needs improvement, and customer service response times can be slow. Overall, my honest experience is that Aetna offers solid coverage options with competitive networks, but the online experience can sometimes feel outdated and not always user-friendly. If you're patient and willing to dig through the details, you can find the information you need, but it does take effort. Thank you for watching this review of Aetna Insurance Services. If this video helped you better understand the platform and its pros and cons, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like to support more reviews like this one.